Okay, a Mitsubishi Lancer installed for Cogoo 7-inch, 6.95-inch and Android GPS universal player. Okay, with Cogoo Darkview reverse camera. Okay, reverse. So this is Cogoo Darkview super wide reverse camera. So Play Store to download app. It's got a 2 USB, front USB, and rear got one USB extension we'll put in the drawer. SD card slot, mic input, CD and DVD slot, reset switch. Okay, go to setting. Have to turn on the Wi-Fi, connect hotspot for internet. Another is car setting. Styling control set. Volume. Okay, Bluetooth call and Bluetooth music. Video input, video output. File manager. Clear apps. Radio. So you can wrong press to save the frequency. Okay, equalizer. So OEM socket plug and play for Mitsubishi, and you have to make sure you got a OEM casing for universal player. Okay, so this is Cogoo Android GPS HD DVD player Cg-AD050 Mitsubishi Lancer, installed by One Piece. Thank you.